just the mom or the dad or maybe the grandparents or whoever's at home, but we need a computer or electronic mastermind. And that's what Linksys is bringing us. How do you keep your home connected with all your Wi-Fi enabled devices? Well, this is how you do it, my friends. You do it with Linksys. You do it with the smart Wi-Fi multimedia dual-band router. That router is a must-have in your home. It's what we all need. So you now have the command center of your home right here at $129.95. This is a must-have. This is a media priority. This is going to make everything run better and faster and smarter. The first thing I have to say is, wow, it's sleek, it's easy to use, yeah. But the latest technology that you have in your home needs to be super fast, wireless. It needs to be wired, right? You need to have that network. So this is going to be your network system for your home now that we've got on free shipping and handling. So when you think about your homes, your Wi-Fi, your computers, your tablet, we've got that great tablet coming up in just a second. How do you keep it connected? Well, this is what you do. So as I come over and get comfy in our home setting, this is how you really do use those devices, right?
Absolutely.
You have to have
You have to have the system. So let's think about what's in your home right now. You think about your laptop. You think about how many notebooks you have, how many tablets you have, how many smartphones do you have, you know, probably one for each member of the family, right? How many times are you on that tablet? Maybe you have that Wi-Fi camera we're going to be talking about. If you don't, you want to stay tuned in for that. Right. But all of this works because of that control center, and that control center is your router. Now, when was the last time you upgraded your router? It may have been years, it may have been never. It may have been whatever the cable company, internet company installed for you years ago. This is the latest in technology. When you have a super fast, super powerful router, and this is the state-of-the-art standard right now, then everything, your computer, your gaming system, your cell phone, your smartphone, anything that's connected Wi-Fi is going to be a better, stronger, more powerful signal.
Right.
So what's great about having this particular router is that it becomes the hub of your home, that command center. So think about this for just a moment. It's going to be 3 times faster than what you would have seen just recently with the end technology. It's going to be 24 times faster than what you would have seen just even a few short years ago. So let's talk about this. If you want to be able to have state-of-the-art technology, this is going to be the unit that you want to have. It's faster, it's more powerful, it's going to give you that streaming video, it's going to give you that live game playback. If you now want to be able to manage your network, you can do all of that right here. And what's great about it is that it's not only more powerful, it's simple and easy to set up, and it gives you better range. Have you ever had that problem where like, how come my cell phone isn't working in this area? My Wi-Fi on my cell phone isn't working when I go to the bedroom upstairs. If you want to have that longer range, that farther range, this is going to be your solution. Now, what's really cool about it is that it also gives you a whole variety of ways that you can control devices in your home. You're going to have parental controls. So if you wanted to, say, give your children permission to surf the internet on certain devices from certain times, you can program it that way. You can set up a guest network in your home, so somebody coming to visit you could use your Wi-Fi but not have full access to everything that is on your network. And you have the ability to prioritize devices. Now, here's what's really cool. Have you ever been watching a movie on Netflix and it's streaming?
It's buffering.
And you get that little buffering.
It's like that hourglass of foreverness.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
You can choose to prioritize what gets the strongest bandwidth. So you can choose, okay, so my son or daughter, my 4-year-old's playing on her tablet.
Right.
She can wait a little while mommy gets that super fast speed, that beam technology, if you will, straight to my phone or straight to my computer to do that networking. So what's so great about this is if you've never upgraded before, tonight is your night. This is your time to do it. Now, I'm going to take you inside because remember, it's just as simple as plugging in one little cable, setting it up, that wireless in your home, and then from there it just takes a few seconds. Now, I'm taking you inside slide so you can see here what's happening. Here's our device list, so we can view the devices that are connected, the guest access, which I'll walk you through, the parental controls, and the media prioritization. So you can go in and you can set, in this case, we have 8 devices that are all set up here. We can add a device from there. You even have USB storage. And when you set up the parental controls, what's great about this is that you can restrict internet access or set certain times in order to do that as well. Now, you think that's really cool to do from your computer? You're going to love that. But get this.
Doing it from your phone.
You can do it from your phone. You could be at work and you can see, okay, you know, here are the devices that are connected to my home Wi-Fi list. And then from there, you could choose to reset them. Or you could put them on a timer. Your 11-year-old is grounded, and guess what? They need to not have access to the internet.
You can end it.
You could go into your device list. You could choose, okay, this is going to be the HSN HP tablet. We're going to choose certain rules for that tablet. And guess what? At 10 o'clock at night, that tablet goes off the internet.
That's right, because there's no more Wi-Fi connection. I tell you, tell me this is not unleashing the most powerful, you know, command center, as you said. I love that. Because you need a hub to your home. We love having the TV connected. We love having the tablets. We love the phones. We love the camera, which we have coming up in a little bit. But you have to start somewhere. And you do that with a router. Sometimes you rent them from your phone, you know, your cable company. Sometimes you go out and buy them. But I'm going to tell you, to have your own that's powerful, that's speedy, that's going to make your home really that connective junction that you want to do it with Linksys. This is the most incredible brand and name, and when it comes to reliability, this is what you want. We have it on free shipping. We have 4 Flex for a limited time as well. This is the next generation of smart Wi-Fi software. You even have apps for powerful networking as well. A brand new item to HSN, which I'm so happy we have that here. So now today your home is more connected than ever, more devices, and all of these really require, right, a strong, fast Wi-Fi signal at the same time.
You're using them simultaneously, right? Think about how many devices you have connected in your home through your home Wi-Fi. Well, they're all pulling from that same control center, if you will. So now, if you want to have that more powerful unit, if you want to be able to use devices like we saw earlier with the Wemo, where you're using some of that wireless technology to control even your outlets, then you need to have the powerful router. So we started years ago with the routers coming out with different technologies, right? This is going to be called the AC, and that is going to give you that state-of-the-art, the fastest router available right now for you. So let me just give you an idea. So what I've done here is I've just done some mirroring. I'm running this from my Android smartphone, and so I've just put it onto the big screen here so you can see how the app works. So here's our connected devices. We're going to go into all devices that are running from that router. And right now, just showing you live, we have the HSN Galaxy 3 phone. That's what I'm using right here to show you. The Gateway laptop, the HP tablet, the iPad, the Kindle, the HSN iPod Touch, the MacBook Pro, all of that's on this system. And then there's a few things that are the network devices. See how it says it's offline? So you might have other peripherals in your home that are not connected, that are not online. But you can go in. Once you turn on the power for that unit, again, obviously it automatically connects. You can go in and set guest access, which is really cool. You can have a guest come in to your home. You can text them a little code, and they're going to be able to have access to your Wi-Fi, but not have all the details that are there. Now, what's really cool is you go into the parental controls. Here is your device list. Once again, on the parental controls, you can choose, okay, my 10-year-old's iPad can go on the internet Monday through Friday from, you know, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. because there's only, you know, certain number of hours.
You know, because as a mom, you know, there's times you have to say enough is enough. So now you can control that yourself,
but what if you
can't get on?
Exactly. And but what if you have a 21-year-old and you want them to, you know, be able to have access to the internet? You know, most of the time, you can set different rules for different devices, and you can control that from your phone. You wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and you see that, you know, you've got an online gamer, and you're like, oh, well, you know what? We'll just disconnect that device. straight from your phone, from your smartphone. So again, it's really simple and easy because all of those controls are right here. What's really unique about this particular router is you have the parental controls, you are also going to have that guest access, and you can prioritize those devices. So if you've ever been frustrated, say for example you are streaming, maybe you're streaming some video on Netflix and you're saying, wait a minute, I really want to, from here, I'm going to walk back over, I really want to be able to prioritize that media so that I'm not having to wait for that movie to download. Or I know that I'm going to be doing some heavy duty work on my computer.
That's right.
And I want to be able to use that computer and have the strongest bandwidth possible.
And you
can do that.
Yes.
You can prioritize the different media with your router, with your smart app. It's just technology that's off the charts when it comes to being able to manage it.
Yeah, and that's what you want. I mean, really with your home, you want to have that incredible home system. This is how you do it. You want significantly faster speeds than those conventional wireless systems. Well, this is what you want. You want it from Linksys. This is a brand new item, 337393. I have to tell you, you mentioned the AC. This is the Smart 1200.
Yeah.
There's an innovative technology that's built into this system, which is truly unique. Because, okay, a router's a router. Well, maybe with most routers, but not when it comes to this Linksys.
That's like saying a camera's a camera.
Which we know is not the case.
I mean, think about it, right? It's the difference in, say, a point and shoot or an incredible DSLR. It's just off the charts when you think about it. You know what? I want to give you an analogy.
Okay.
It's like this. It's like drinking through a straw or drinking through a fire hose. Which would you rather have for your internet, for your Wi-Fi, right?
Right.
If you are using more than one device, and you're probably using so many, you may not even know the list in your head, but start thinking about how many tablets do you have?
That's right.
How many computers do you have? How many smartphones do you have?
How many TVs?
How many smart TVs do you have? Do you use the Roku? Do you use an Apple TV? Whatever it is. Now think about this. Up to 3 times faster than the wireless and 24 times faster than the wireless. 24 times. I mean, this is off the charts. This technology, if you have a large home, if you've ever been frustrated because you have that lag time, you're saying, what is going on? You know what's happening is that we're getting more and more powerful devices, but if the driver of those devices isn't powerful, remember, this is going to be the router that you need because this is the hub of your home. This is that power source that drives everything else. And not only is it more powerful, again, up to 24 times more powerful, but it also gives you the parental controls. You can prioritize the media devices, and on top of that, you're going to be able to have the parental controls and as well the prioritize.
I mean, who doesn't want speed when it comes? This uses beamforming. This is truly incredible.
Like it's really that signal straight to that device.
It's time to upgrade, right? If you've got that old, maybe rented, or that old one you've had years ago, oh, please upgrade to the Linksys. Brand new item. You will love this. All right, you're going to be back in a little bit. We have the camera that you will appreciate having that brand new router for in a second. All right, we've got word coming up, and I've got an amazing Acer tablet. See, it's all connected together here at HSN.
You're going to love it.